Alright, so now we are gonna analyze all those matches which has got played in between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. So let's go ahead get first all those matches which has got played between these two teams. So I'm gonna define here a function def get underscore MICSK, and in that I'm gonna pass their team 1 and then team 2. And then I'm gonna create here a teams list, and inside this teams list I'm gonna say that Chennai Super Kings, and then we have their Mumbai Indians. So these are the two teams. Now with the if and else loop, I'm gonna check that if team 1 in teams and at the same time team 2 should be also in teams, that's mean the Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians, that's mean this team 1 and the team 2 should be in between these two teams. Only then I'm gonna here return true, that's mean those matches got played in between Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians. And then I'm gonna say here else, return false actually. Alright, so let's go ahead and create here an index, and then finally I'm gonna iterate our data frame for row in df dot iter rows. So it will iterate row by row there, and then I'm gonna say here a flag is equal to get MICSK. So what is happening here, I'm calling this method. In this method now I'm gonna pass team 1 and team 2 information. So and it is row by row available in this row. So the first index in the row is, that means row 0 is index of the data frame and row 1 is all the columns. So we have there row 1 and then there is a team 1, and then similarly here we have row 1 and then we have team 2 as well here. So with this we will get all those flags. Once we get those flags, I'm gonna append it into an index. So there we have appended it. Now we have got the index. With the sum of index we can get the total number of matches which has got played between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. So those are the 28 matches. That's mean there are 28 times when these two teams played together. Now let's go ahead and get the data set where only the matches played between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. So we can get that with the MICSK is equal to data frame, and there I'm gonna pass their index. So when index is true, that means the both teams are Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians, and when it is false, that's mean then both teams are not together, Mumbai Indians and the CSK. So there could be the CSK but other team is not Mumbai Indian. There could be the Mumbai Indian in a team but the other opposite team is not a CSK. So with this we get the MICSK there. Alright, so this is the total number of matches which has got played between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. Alright, perfect. So I'm gonna first here just show the first few lines of this Mumbai Indians and the CSK, that's the MICSK. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna first calculate the toss decision. Alright, so what is the toss decision between these two teams? That we can do with MICSK, then toss decision dot value underscore counts. Then of course we have there once again I plot, and this plot is gonna be bar plot. So it says that 15 times fielding were selected and then 13 times batting got selected. Now let's go ahead and see what was the who has won the toss. So you can say there is a toss winner. So it says that the Mumbai Indians has won 15 times and Chennai Super Kings won there 13 times. Alright, Perfect. Now let's go ahead and see who has won the match. Okay, the most number of time. Let's go ahead and paste it here. Then we can simply get here a winner. So with this winner, we will get the total list here. So it says that the Mumbai Indians has won the 17 times and Chennai Super Kings has won 11 times. That's mean in the winning, Mumbai Indian has beaten the Chennai Super Kings most of the time. Alright. Now let's go ahead and get the list of player of the match between all those matches which has got played between the CSK and Mumbai Indians. We can get those with this MICSK. Then there is player of the match. So it says that these are the people who has received their most number of time player of the match awards. So the 3 times Suresh Raina, Kieron Pollard and Rohit Sharma. So these 2 players were playing with the Mumbai Indian. In Mumbai Indian, Suresh Raina was playing in the CSK. There we have Smith. I'm not sure where Smith played. I think he had played in the CSK. Then we have Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is from Mumbai, so definitely he played with the Mumbai Indians. Then we have Matthew Hayden, Hardik Pandya and Harbhajan Singh and other players as well, who has got at least 1 man of the match awards in all those matches. Alright, now let's go ahead and see how these matches got won actually, whether by runs or with the wickets. So if you want to see here MICSK, in this you will see there winner is decided, then it is being displayed there how those winners got selected. I mean how those winners got won actually. So whether they got won from runs or wicket. So there you can get actually head. So either a team can win by some run or that team can win by some wicket. So there, once a team get win by run, then definitely that team cannot win by wickets. So either a team can win by run or by a wicket. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how many times they have got won by runs and then won by wickets. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna first get here a temporary data frame. That's the temp data frame. That's the MICSK. In that MICSK, I'm gonna get first winner team, and then finally I'm gonna get their wins by. Sorry, this is the win actually. There is no wins column. Wins by run, win by runs actually, and then there we have win by wickets. So this is the temp data which have these 3 information: winner, win by runs, and then win by wickets. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get here the first of all what is the but before that let me first set the index. So I'm gonna set this winner column as an index. So the temp is equal to temp dot set underscore index. There we have a set underscore index, and then there we have winner. Alright, then we have temp dot max. This says that win by run, what was the maximum win by run? It was a 60 run. And what was win by wickets? It was 9 wickets. Alright, now let's go ahead and visualize all these together, win by runs and win by wickets. So here I'm gonna use directly the pandas data frame plot method. So the temp.plot.bar, inside this I'm gonna set here a figure size as well. Sorry. So there we have a figure size. A fig size we can pass in the form of tuple. There we have a 15 points in the length and 5 is height. Then I'm also gonna set the rotation of the label. So I'm gonna set the rotation of label is 70 degree. So there you get here win by runs and win by wickets. So there we have seen here a 60 runs win that is got registered by Mumbai Indians. If you are getting confused, you can set here as 88. So there you see Mumbai Indians is there, and the most of the matches specifically got won by the Mumbai Indians. If you see there, And the wickets, it is I think the 9 wickets maximum. That's mean at least 1 wicket got out during the match winning during the match of Mumbai Indians and CSK. Alright, during the chase you can say. Alright, perfect. Now let's go ahead and see the season wise match summary. Before that, I think this lecture has already passed 10 minutes. So I'm gonna stop this lesson. I'll see you next lesson where I'll do more analysis on the IPL matches.